Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming Apple Cash is active in Wallet and your identity is verified. This unlocks limits and transfers. Next, link a bank account or debit card so you can add funds and receive refunds. Use routing and account numbers or a supported debit card. Once done, set a secure payment PIN and enable Face ID or Touch ID for quick authorizations. This keeps transactions fast and protected while you replace credit card usage. You now make Apple Cash your default payment method. Go to Settings, Wallet, and Apple Pay, and choose Apple Cash. When checking out online or in apps, select Apple Pay and confirm Apple Cash as the funding source. For person-to-person, use Message's Apple Cash Send button. Make sure to maintain a linked bank or debit card as backup for bigger purchases that exceed your Apple Cash balance, and periodically top up so transactions don't fail. This avoids finish by reviewing your wallet balance and recent activity to confirm charges cleared. This prevents double payments and catches errors fast. If a payment fails, first check your Apple Cash balance and bank link, then retry or switch to your backup debit card. Contact your bank if holds appear. If limits or identity verifications block a purchase, complete the requested verification or add funds to Apple Cash and try again. This resolves most issues, so you can keep using Apple Cash instead of a credit card.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.